International Advanced Level C34 May 16, question number 11. With respect to a fixed origin O, the lines L1 and L2 are given by the equation this, where lambda and mu are the scalar parameters and b is a constant. Given that L1 and L2 meet at point X, so if this is L1 and this is L2, this is L1, this is L2, they are meeting at point X. Show that b is -3 and find the coordinate of X. So find the coordinate of X. So L1 will be, they are intersecting, so 7 plus lambda, 4 plus lambda, and 9 plus 4 lambda. This is going to be equal to -6 plus 5 mu -7 plus 4 mu and 3 plus b mu. This. Now if they are intersecting X, these values should be same. So 7 plus lambda is equal to -6 plus 5 mu. So it means lambda is equal to -6 and -7. So -13 plus 5 mu. And from this equation, 4 plus lambda is equal to -7 plus 4 mu. So lambda will be -7 and -4 is -11 plus 4 mu. This is the value of lambda and this is the value of lambda, so they must be equal. So -13 plus 5 mu is equal to -11 plus 4 mu. This comes here, this is 5 mu minus 4 mu, mu is equal to, that is 2. So lambda will be -11 plus 8, so it is -3. So mu is equal to 2 and lambda is equal to -3. So the coordinate of X will be, either you put the value of lambda here or the value of mu here. So 7 minus 3, that is 4. 4 minus 3, that is 1. And 9 minus 12 is -3. So these are the coordinate of X. This is your part A. Now part B, show that angle A, the point A lies on L1. With coordinate, so the coordinate of A is 635 and the coordinate of B is, this is B, 14, 9, -9, 14, 9 and -9. So we have this X, this is B and this is A. This point is X, this is B and this is A. Show that angle AXB. AXB. We have to calculate this angle. So what we have is AX (6 minus 4), 3 minus 1, and 5 minus 3. So that is 2, 2, 8. That is AX. And BX is 14 minus 4, 9 minus 1, minus 9 minus 3. So this is 10, 8, minus 6. AX and BX. So cos theta is AX BX, no, sorry, cos theta will be AX multiply BX divide by AX and BX. So AX, this is 2, 2, 8, and this is 10, 8, minus 6, divided by 2 square plus 2 square plus 8 square and 10 square plus 8 square plus minus 6 square. So cos theta will be 20 plus 16 minus plus minus 48 divided by, this is root 72 and this is root 200. So that is minus 36. So minus 12. This is 6 root 2 and this one is 10 root 2. Root 2 and root 2 is 2, 6. So theta is cos inverse minus 1 over 10. And that is what we are supposed to prove. Part C. Using the result in B, find the exact area of triangle AXB. So we have to find the area of this triangle. So area of a triangle is half AX, that is same 6 root 2, BX, that is 10 root 2, sine theta, and we know cos theta. So root 1 minus cos square theta, 1 over 10 square. So this is equal to this root 2, this is cancel, this one is 60, multiply 1 over 100, 100 times 1 is, so root 99 over 10, this cancel. So this is 9 times 11, 6 times 3, 18, root 11. So that is the area of this triangle. This area. Question number 12, part A. X is equal to 3 sin t and y is equal to 2 sin 2t. The finite region is shaded in the figure bounded by the curve, the x-axis, and the equation x is equal to 3 over 2. It is rotated through 2 pi about x-axis. Show that the volume of solid of revolution is given by. So formula is pi. The formula for volume is pi a to b y square dx. So y square is 4 sin 2t square. So that is equal to 4 sin 2t square means sin 2t and sin 2t. So that is 2 sin t cos t square. So this is 4 sin square t cos square t. So y square is equal to 16 sin square t cos square t. So this is equal to pi. Y square is 16 sin square t cos square t. Now dx. So differentiate this. X is equal to 3 sin t. So dx is equal to 3 cos t dt. So multiply 3 cos t dt. This dx we have taken from here. So that is equal to pi. This is 16 times 3 is 48. So this is 48 pi integral sin square t cos cube t dt. Now the limits. Limit is a to b. So what we have is this 0. If x is 0, sin t is 0. So it means t is 0. If x is 3 over 2, is equal to 3 sin t. Sin t is equal to half. So t will be sine inverse half, that is 30 degree. So that is equal to pi over 6. So this is equal to 48 pi 0 to pi over 6 sine square t cos cube t and dt. So this is k is 48 pi and a is pi over 6, where k and a are constant to be given in terms of pi. So both are in terms of pi. Part B. Use the substitution u is equal to sine t. U is equal to sine t. So du is equal to cos t dt. So dt is equal to du over cos t. And cos square t is equal to 1 minus sine square t, so 1 minus u square. So the volume will be integral sine square t is u square cos cube can be written as cos square and cos t dt and cos square t. Cos square t is 1 minus u square and cos t dt is du. Now again, when this is 0, sine 0 is 0, so u is 0. And sine pi over 6, sine 30 is 0.5, that is half. So this is equal to integral 0 to half u square minus integral 0 to half u to the power 4 du and du. So that is equal to integral of u square is u to the power 3 over 3 0 to half minus u to the power 5 over 5 0 to half. Don't forget to write 48 pi here. So now this is equal to 48 pi (1 over 3) multiply 1 over 8 minus 0 minus 1 over 5 This 48 is multiplied by all. 48 pi 1 over 5 1 over 32 minus 0. So this is 48 pi 1 over 24 minus 1 over 160. So this is 48 pi multiply. So this is 17 over 480. 48 is cancelled, so it is 17 pi over 10. P pi over Q. So this is the value of P and this is the value of Q. Make sure you mention in your answer these are the values. Question number 13. The figure shows a hemispherical bowl containing some water. At t seconds, the height of the water is h centimeter and the volume is v centimeter cube. Given by this, the water is leaking from the hole at the bottom. Given that dy over dt is 1 over 10 v minus 1 over 10 v or minus v over 10, show that dh over dt. Now we have to find dh over dt. Let's start with dh over dt. So this can be dh over dv we have dv over dt, not dt over dv. Okay, let's try to find out. We have dv over dt is equal to minus 1 over 10 v. V is 1 over 3 pi h square 30 minus h. So this will be pi h square over 30 multiply 30 minus. Are we really going to get this answer? Anyway, let's see. 30 over h 1 over 3 pi h cube multiply 10. So this cancel. Pi h square minus pi h cube over 30. So that is pi h square. This is 30 minus h over 30. This is our value of dv over dt. Now dh. Now if we have to find h, that will be, let's say v is equal to 1 over 3 pi h square multiply 30 minus 1 over 3 pi h cube. So dv over dh. This is cancelled by 10. So this is 2 h pi 10 minus 3 pi h square over 3. So this cancels. So this is equal to, if I take pi h common, so this will be 20 minus pi h common, 20 minus h. Now we have these two values, so that is equal to, so now dv over dh over dv. So dh over dv is equal to 1 over pi h 20 minus h. One over pi h 20 minus h multiply dt over dv. So this will be the opposite of this. So this is 30 pi h square 30 minus h. So if we calculate this pi h cancel, only h will remain here. So that is 30 minus h divided by 30 20 minus h. And is there any negative here? Because we have to prove this was the negative. This was negative. So why is not positive? 3h, this is negative, this is negative. 30 minus h. So we remain it like this. This is negative, this is negative, so this is negative, because again we have put this in the bracket. So this is negative, that's why this is a negative. So that is the solution of first part. So dh over dt is this. So dh over dt is this. The good thing with the question, to show that if you have done any mistake you can rectify it. Part B. Write 30 20 minus h over h 30 minus h will be equal to a over h plus b over 30 minus h. So 30 20 minus h is equal to a 30 minus h plus b h. So if I take h is equal to 0, this is 0, this is 30a, and this will be 600. So it means a is equal to 60 over 30, that is 20. So the value of a is 20. And if I take h is equal to 30, so this is 30 minus 10 is equal to 30 minus 30 is 0, and this will be 20. No, if I take a is equal to 30, you cannot take 20. A is equal to 30. Yes, I have taken 30. No. H is 30. Sorry, H is 30. H is 30. So 30, 20 minus H is equal to this is 0, and this is 30H. B. So it shows B is equal to minus 10. So this equation will become 30, 20 minus H over H, 30 minus H will be equal to A, 20 over H minus 10, 30 minus H. So this is the partial fractions. Given that H is equal to 10 when T is equal to 0, use your answer to part A and part B to find the time taken for the height of the water to fall to 5 centimeter. Give your answer in seconds to 2 decimal places. We have to find the time taken for the height of a water to fall 5 centimeter. H is 5 centimeter, and we have this was dH over dt. This is the rate. So if we integrate it, this one, so we have dH over dt is equal to 30, 20 minus H over H, 30 minus H. If we integrate, now dH, we don't have dt, so we can write this as, now are you getting why it's taken the partial fraction of the reciprocal of this? Because this one is going with the H and dt is coming this here, so that we can make the differential equations. So this is integral H 30 minus H this is 20 minus H, and this is 30 minus H. 30, 20 minus h. We have dh over dt, so we'll take this one. Dh over dt is equal to minus h, 30 minus h over 30, 20 minus h. We integrate both sides, so we have 30, 20 minus h over h, 30 minus h, integral dh is equal to integral minus 1 dt. Yes, now we have this. So this can be written as 30, 20 minus h, 20 over h. So this is integral 20 over h dh minus integral 10 over 30 minus h is equal to integral minus 1 dt. 20 over h dh is 20 ln h minus 10 ln 30 minus h divided by minus 1 is equal to minus t plus c. So this is 20 ln h plus 10 ln 30 minus h is equal to minus t plus c. Now we have to calculate this value of c. So h is 10 and t is 0. So h is 10 and c is 0. So c will be 20 ln 10 plus 10 ln 30 minus 10, 20 is equal to c. So we put this value here. So our equation will be c is this. We have to calculate the value of time t. T is negative, so t should be positive. So it means let t come this side. So t is equal to c. C is 20 ln 10 plus 10 ln 20 minus this 20 ln h is also 10 plus 10, this is ln 20. So this will give you t is equal to 11.63 seconds. Up to 2 places of decimals. So that is the value of t. For such type of questions you have to be very careful. I hope I have not made any mistake in positive and negative. Try to solve it yourself and see if the answer is correct or not. And that's the end of this paper. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, any problem, please do write to me. I'll definitely answer. Thank you.